Insta360 has built its reputation on compact action cameras and immersive 360-degree capture systems, so the latest leak has caught the entire photography world off guard. Instead of another small action device, what's being revealed online points towards something far more ambitious: a full Insta360 mirrorless camera with interchangeable lenses. This is a completely new direction for the company and potentially one of the most disruptive camera developments heading into 2026. The reaction has been immediate and sharply divided. Some see it as a bold reinvention of what a modern mirrorless system could look like, while others think the design is too unconventional to compete seriously. Either way, it has already become a major talking point in camera circles. The first hints of this project didn't come from an official announcement, but from an accidental reveal earlier in 2026. Insta360 CEO Jinkang Liu, also known as JK Liu, unintentionally posted an image where a white camera body could be seen in the background. At the time, it was partially obscured, but one detail stood out clearly: a mounted lens that resembled an Olympus-style kit zoom. Because Insta360 has never released anything like this before, most people assumed it was either a prototype or unrelated hardware. Still, it planted the first real suspicion that an Insta360 mirrorless camera might be in development. That suspicion turned into something much more concrete in April 2026 when high-resolution images of the same device surfaced online. Leaker Igor Bogdanov, also known as Quadro News, published clear photos showing a compact white-bodied camera with visible branding and a fully developed mirrorless structure. Unlike the earlier blurry leak, these images made it difficult to dismiss the possibility that Insta360 is actively building an interchangeable lens system camera rather than just experimenting with concepts. The internal prototype name circulating in leaks is Insta360 Z1, though this is almost certainly not the final retail branding. The most important technical detail is the lens mount. The Insta360 mirrorless camera is reportedly using the Micro Four Thirds system, which is one of the most widely supported mirrorless formats in the industry. This instantly opens the door to lenses from Panasonic, Olympus, Sigma, and many third-party manufacturers. In leaked images, an Olympus M.Z Wiko 14 to 42mm kit lens is clearly attached, strongly confirming Micro Four Thirds compatibility. Design-wise, the camera immediately stands out because it does not follow traditional mirrorless conventions. Instead of a DSLR-style body or even a typical compact mirrorless shape, the Insta360 mirrorless camera features a clean white, minimalist design. It looks closer to a modern consumer tech product than a traditional professional camera. This alone has sparked debate across photography communities. Some users appreciate the refreshing aesthetic, while others feel it looks too much like an action camera stretched into a new category. One of the most controversial design decisions is the lack of an electronic viewfinder. There is no EVF anywhere on the body, which immediately sets it apart from most mainstream mirrorless systems. Instead, the camera relies entirely on a large flip-up touchscreen display. This clearly signals a shift toward screen-based composition and modern creator workflows rather than traditional eye-level photography. For vloggers and content creators, this could be ideal. For classic photographers, it may feel limiting. The interface appears to be heavily influenced by Insta360's existing action camera ecosystem, particularly the Ace Pro series. This suggests the company is prioritizing familiarity for existing users while expanding into a more advanced hardware category. The UI is expected to remain simple, touch-driven, and optimized for fast shooting rather than deep menu navigation. Another major change is the introduction of physical control dials. This is a big step for Insta360, which has traditionally focused on minimal physical controls. The Insta360 Mirrorless camera reportedly includes top-mounted dials for exposure and aperture adjustments, along with a front command wheel for quick changes. This combination suggests the company is trying to strike a balance between beginner-friendly usability and more serious photographic control. Additional hardware features include a hot shoe mount for microphones or lighting accessories, along with built-in dual microphones for audio capture. These additions reinforce the idea that the camera is designed not only for photography but also for video production, live streaming, and hybrid content creation workflows. On the imaging side, the Insta360 Mirrorless camera is expected to feature a micro Four Thirds sensor with an estimated resolution of around 20 megapixels. While this is not high resolution by full-frame standards, it is consistent with the strengths of the micro Four Thirds system. The format is known for its compact size, fast performance, and efficient lens ecosystem rather than extreme detail output. Video capability is expected to play a central role in the design. The leaked body shows visible heat dissipation elements, suggesting the camera is built for sustained recording sessions rather than short clips. While official specs are unknown, rumors suggest advanced 4K recording options, possibly including high frame rate modes like 4K at 120 fps. If accurate, this would make the Insta360 Mirrorless camera a serious hybrid tool for creators who need both stills and video in one device. Stabilization is another area where Insta360 could have a strong advantage. The company's flow state stabilization technology is already widely praised in its action cameras for delivering extremely smooth footage without external gimbals. There is strong speculation that the system could be adapted for the mirrorless platform, potentially alongside in-body image stabilization. If both systems are combined, the result could be one of the most stable handheld shooting experiences in the entire mirrorless category. The fully articulating touchscreen further emphasizes its creator-first design. Without a viewfinder, the entire shooting experience is built around a display. This makes it particularly suitable for front-facing video, self-recording, and social media content creation, but less aligned with traditional photography workflows that rely on optical framing or EVFs. What is already clear, however, is that Insta360 is attempting a major expansion beyond its core category. The Insta360 mirrorless camera represents a shift from action-focused devices into the broader world of interchangeable lens systems. Whether it succeeds or not will depend heavily on execution, but the ambition alone has already made it one of the most talked about leaked cameras of 2026.